Hey everyone, welcome back to Try Tech a Bee. If you've ever wanted to edit photos, swap faces, remove backgrounds, or enhance images without Photoshop or expensive software, then today's video is for you. We're taking a deep dive into Remaker AI, a browser based AI tool that's blowing up in the US for image editing, face swap, AI art, and video enhancements. In this video, I'll break down what Remaker AI does, how it works, real pricing in US dollars, who it's actually for, and whether it's worth your money. Let's get started. Remaker AI is an all in one online AI editing platform designed for creators, marketers, and casual users who want professional looking visuals with minimal effort. Instead of downloading heavy software, everything runs directly in your browser, on desktop or mobile. With Remaker AI, you can swap faces in photos and videos, upscale blurry images to HD or 4K, remove or replace backgrounds, erase unwanted objects, generate AI portraits and creative images, apply AI effects and styles. No advanced skills required. If you can upload a photo, you can use Remaker AI. For US creators, time is money, and Remaker AI focuses on speed and simplicity. Instead of paying monthly subscriptions like Adobe or hiring freelancers, you can create content in minutes for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram and TikTok posts, e-commerce product photos, marketing visuals, profile pictures, and headshots. But popularity doesn't always mean quality. So let's break down the features. First up, the AI image upscaler. This tool takes low-resolution images, old photos, screenshots, compressed files, and enhances them using AI, not basic resizing. Details look sharper, edges cleaner, and the image stays natural. This is perfect for YouTube thumbnails, Etsy listings, Amazon product images, or even printing photos. Next, we have the AI background remover. Upload your image, wait a few seconds, and the background is gone. You can export transparent PNGs or replace backgrounds with solid colors or custom images. For US e-commerce sellers and marketers, this feature alone can save hours of manual work. Remaker AI also includes a prompt-based photo editor. You can literally type instructions like remove this object, make the colors more cinematic, or improve lighting on the face. The AI understands natural language, which makes editing extremely beginner-friendly. Remaker AI also includes fun creative tools like AI portrait generation, artistic filters, stylized image effects, tattoo and concept art generators. These are great for social media creators, branding experiments, and creative projects. Remaker AI does not use a monthly subscription. Instead, it uses a credit-based system. Here's a general idea of US pricing. Around $3 for small starter credits, about $10 for mid-level usage, $20 to $50 for heavier use. Large creator packs go higher. Credits never expire, which is great if you don't use the tool daily. And high-resolution exports use more credits, so costs can add up if you're a heavy user. Let's be real, Remaker AI isn't perfect. What users like: easy interface, fast image processing, no monthly subscription, multiple tools in one place. Common complaints include occasional feature glitches, inconsistent video face swap quality, limited customer support, confusing credit usage at times. That's why I recommend testing with free credits first. Since you're uploading personal images, privacy matters. Remaker AI processes content in the cloud and uses secure payment systems. Still, avoid uploading sensitive personal documents or private content you wouldn't want stored temporarily online. Compared to other AI tools, it's easier than Photoshop, cheaper upfront than subscriptions, not as powerful as professional video editors. Best for quick, simple, AI powered edits. It's a convenience tool, not a Hollywood production studio. So, is Remaker AI worth it for US users? Yes, if you want fast AI image edits without subscriptions. Maybe if you occasionally do face swaps or creative work. No, if you need professional grade video editing every day. Start small, test it, and only upgrade if it fits your workflow. If this video helped you out, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for TriTech AB. Comment below if you want a step-by-step Remaker AI tutorial or a comparison with other AI tools. Thanks for watching TriTech AB, where tech is tested before you invest. I'll see you in the next one.